Who would love to see some really cute calves, baby calves? Over here, let's have a look. Let's. Mum and son. There you go. It's even got a little tag. So we're in the village of Beaujeu again. Someone's left some bird seed on there. The birds, there's cows in the field. The birds, there's cows in the field. Over there. And in, there you go. The sheep. There he is. There you go. Sheep in with the cows. Go over here. Lisa's doing her own little recording, but the baby's hidden around here. Oh, there's some big ones here. Oh, they're all in there, they're having a munch.
It's got a nose ring, that one, look.
Which one? Oh yeah, look at him. This fella here. Oh, they're all here.
Oh, they're lovely, aren't they?
All different cows, all different shapes and sizes and designs. There's a few over there as well. Back in the back pen. Oh, and there's geese. We have geese. Bloody hell. It's like Noah's Ark. There's geese over there. There's even a little well. I mean, that's obviously someone's garden, I think. Yeah. And in the background there's some building work going on. It's an estate they're building.
Oh, sheep.
Sheep, yeah, I've clocked the sheep, yeah. And there's a calf, look, the baby calf. Yeah.
He's so sweet, isn't he?
He is, isn't he? Yeah, so it's quite a nice morning here in the, I say, the little quiet village of Beaujeu. That's the entrance. That takes you to Eastern Maldet, Grendon, out towards Northampton way, and back this way takes you into Beaujeu village here. Let's have a look. There. So guys, there you go. That's the thing always coming up here now. Show you around it. All making their little noises. Oh, a rat! I've just gone in there. I didn't grab him. We're going to get rats around here, aren't we? You're going to get them. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's your calves video.
It's just a little thing that you just walk around on. Currently out at Leys Wildlife Nature Reserve. It's not far from, well, it's just off the A507, is it? 509. 509, okay, 509. So we're just currently having a look around to see what sort of creatures we can find out around here. Let's have a look. You alright? You alright? Just paid a couple of pound in parking, so that's not too bad. They've got tea and refreshments back there as well, so There's all gates and everything. There's people walking around with rucksacks. Let's take you through here. There's a lot of people walking around, so it's on the main road as well. Look, it's here. But the car park seemed quite busy. So lots of people with cameras as well. So, hello, hello. Right there, big camera on. Extended camera. So I'm not sure. This path's just going around here at the minute. Switch around. I'm not sure what we're going to see here as well as you. So we'll see. Have we got him? Anyone on there? She said it opens up down here, that girl. So we'll have a look down here. He came right down. He was having a sing. They're very tame. They're very tame, the birds around here. Aren't they?
Very.
Oh, I don't know. No, look, it's be phased out by. Still singing away. They don't seem to be phased out by us being around. Yes. I suppose they're used to it, you know, people walking about. And I think we've knocked that on the head because it seems to just go on for miles. Leys. Hey? Hello?
No.
Hiya.
I thought you wanted us to pose.
We can pose if you want.
No.
Where's... Does this open out, does it, from over there? Is it... Sorry, I'm just recording. Does it open out from over there? Does it... What is it? Is it all to do with birds? We're not sure. We're trying to do a video, but we're not sure.
This is like the old railway.
Are you okay about being on camera? You're right.
Well,
No.
This is like the old railway line.
We just... Do you know about this place?
Not a lot. I mean, I can't.
Could you explain to people my video, my YouTube video, what this is about? Because I'm going to put this in the video, so you'll be famous for like infamous.
You've been
Is
to
it bird?
You've been to the nature reserve.
The nature reserve back there. That's
This is like the railway line, which you can walk for miles and miles and miles on. Actually,
Right.
oh, what this?
yeah,
this.
this is like the old
It's the old railway line.
Northampton railway line.
See, we didn't know that. So there you go, guys. There's a bit of information. This is the old Northampton railway line.
Where it went.
Where did it go?
Which one does it go from? This one? 'Cause it's different to the one that I walked down in the villages. I don't know. No.
No.
We need to look at the map.
We need to look at the map. So it's the old railway line. Yeah, that's interesting.
So how far you can get, I don't know, because I mean sometimes the Nen Valley Way links onto it.
Yeah.
But having walked the Nen Valley Way, I know that you have to go up there and walk through the village, and then you come back round.
Right. Okay. What's this over? Is this Great Doddington? Is this? What is it?
Which village are you?
I don't know.
Doddington.
Oh, you're not local. You local or you're not?
Not local.
No, no.
think it's Great Doddington.
We're not far from here. We're
Where
not
are you
far.
from?
We're over. I'll bleep it out. We're on Grendon. Yeah.
Now, I'm on Butley and my friend lives
Oh.
back.
Oh, are you? Yeah. Oh, you've come all this way.
Yeah,
Yeah. Wow.
it's not too far.
It's not too far, I suppose.
They
No.
are.
That's one hell of a camera you guys have got there. Yeah.
It's a scope for seeing the birds.
Oh, is it a scope?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
So that just
So
goes
that-
for miles and miles then, go that
See
way
if
then.
we can pick it up on my app.
Yeah.
I
Let's
have
have a
an
look.
app that we all, but it's not always a use for that. Doesn't show me. Are you walking around the lakes?
We're just doing a vlog. We've got a YouTube channel and we just go around locally and
Yeah.
and you're right about you're okay, yeah? Because it's interesting because this is information for the viewers.
This has changed this.
Yeah, so just before you get to the end
Ah,
of
there we
this
are.
track, you can
Yeah.
go back onto the nature reserve
Oh, okay.
and walk back round
There
to
you
the
go.
car
Yeah,
park.
let's have a look.
That's where you... Oh, go away, I don't know what that means.
Public footpaths going off.
That's
all
the,
over
where
that.
it's going, so it's actually heading
So-
towards Wellingborough. So,
Wellingborough.
Yeah, so it's the old Wellingborough railway line, yeah.
Oh, so this is the old Wellingborough Railway line.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wellingborough would... I don't know.
Wellingborough is in that direction,
Yeah, so
isn't
it'd be
it?
Wellingborough and then it would be Peterborough.
Yeah, Peterborough. Right, okay.
Yeah.
You probably get some old sleepers or something if you looked.
Although
If you look down there,
probably a
you probably
few
see a
around.
few there,
And
yeah.
there's one or two old railway buildings that are pretty obvious. We've just
Oh, is there?
passed one, haven't we?
Down there, yeah.
Little brick building.
Yeah.
And then the village over there. Yes, you're right, Great Doddington.
Great Doddington, yeah. So guys, this is all Great Doddington over here. Looks like there's some cars over there as well, if you can see from there. That's a quaint little village. Yeah. Can you get down from there? I suppose you can, can't you? It's a footpath. Oh yeah.
So you can
Yeah.
do that.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Okay, ladies. Well, thank you. And your names are?
We're both called Leys.
We're both
Both
Liz.
called Liz. The two Lizzes.
We are the
There you
two
go.
Lizzes.
The two Lizzes from where are you from?
From Daventry and Lombardly.
From Daventry and Lombardy. Yeah, wherever. Thank you for the information.
Well, enjoy your walk.
Yeah,
Will do.
thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Cheers. But there you go. It's the old Northampton.
This isn't the nature reserve.
This
that we're
isn't the
on now.
nature reserve,
No,
no.
this is
So
the railway line.
we've come off the rail. We're on the railway line. Or not, this used to be an old railway line. There you go. You find out something every day, Lisa. It's a tit. They're quite tame, aren't they? Put these off. There's a lake here. Is there both of them? Is there? They're still there? Oh, yeah.
Together, look.
Can't see them.
There's I've put food up here, look.
Oh, that's why, yeah. They've got food up there.
If you wait,
Let's wait here. It's the waiting game. Let's see them.